Hello. In this video, what we are going to do is we are moving our database from a monolith server to a separate server, separate EC2 instance. And this is the first step towards the elastic architecture. So I already have two EC2 instances running. This one is a monolith which has all the three components, the web server and web server application and database, and we are moving database from this EC2 instance to this one here. The database is running on MariaDB server, and we will as I said, move the database from this EC2 to this EC2 instance. Now first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to create a blog post on this on the monolith, and we'll take a backup of that one. So first of all, let's go to connect this application, and to do that I will simply copy the public address and will open in a new tab. So I will install the application first, and then I will create a blog post. So site title, I will just enter something like a blog, username admin, and I have password with here. We don't need a real email here, so I will just provide a fake email address, and this will install the application on the server, and we can log in. Okay, so now we will create a post, delete the existing post, and we will create a new post. And I will call it like 3 of 7 wonders of world, and I will upload some images. Wait. And I will just like write something for database, like just something like Taj Mahal Opera House pyramids, and I will publish it so that it will be saved on the database. And now I will connect to our monolith. So now I will connect to our monolith server using instance connect. And what we will do is we will take backup of our database, and then we will move that backup to the new EC2 instance. And I have the commands for that already in a separate window. So first let's check some files. So these are the files that we have. Now we will take backup of database. And this is the command, password okay. So backup has been created. Now if I do ls-la again, we can see the backup of the database, and now we will move this backup of database to the new EC2 instance. For that, I'm using this command, and in this one I will need the private IP of the new EC2 instance, which will have the database. So I will need private IP version 4 address of this one, copy, and I will paste it here. Need password again. Okay, now what we will do is we need to update our application configuration file, so that for database it points to the new EC2 instance. And for that, what we need to do is we need to open the configuration file. So we need to change directory and open the configuration file. So this is a configuration file, and in this one currently it is pointing to the monolith, and we are going to insert our separate EC2 instance private IP version 4 address, so that it points to that one for the database. I will delete this and copy the private IPv4 and paste it here. And now Control O and Control X to come out. So now if we go back to our blog and refresh, it's still showing, but now it is pointing to the new EC2 instance. Now let me stop the MariaDB on the monolith and check again. So for that I have this command, so we have stopped the MariaDB server on the monolith, and now when we go back and refresh this, it will still load the post, but now as I mentioned before, it is pointing at the new database EC2 instance. So that's what I wanted to show in this video. Thank you for watching.